Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we're going to work on DPF sensor and cleaning on 2011 Mercedes E350 diesel Bluetech. So it has got two codes. The DPF sensor, which I already been replaced that one. This is pretty easy, just the bolt, small bolt, 10mm right here, and there is two clamps. They are like press clamp. You have to have a special tool for that one to take those hoses out. Let me show it to you. The old one, the old sensor is right here. It's right here. It's from the Mercedes, and as you see that's the old one. I already replaced it. There is two hoses connected here, the big one and the small one, and this is gonna be the part number for the part. When you replace it, you need to clean the DPF. Get a bottle of that one, a quart of it for like 25 bucks from AutoZone or Ali, whatever, and take the sensor, the NOx sensor out right here, and then you have to put that one in there and let it sit for 20 minutes. After that, put it back together, start the vehicle, let it run to get the normal temperature, and then you need to go over here, hook up your scanner with a good scan tool, and then let it get to normal temperature again, and then after that you should be fine. And reset the code, drive it, and the code is gonna go away. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.